Now the last two are similar to what we've done before, but we have to draw a diagram. So suppose a chord of a circle. So we need to review our vocab. We need to first have a circle and then draw in any chord. If it's 5 inches from the center, so the center to that chord is 5, and the chord itself is 24 inches long. Remember that if we draw that distance from the center to a right angle, then we'd cut that 24 in half to be 12 and 12, which will make finding the radius a lot easier now because we have a right triangle. And we have a right triangle with 5, 12, and R, and that is one of the triples to know, so the radius is 13. We're going to change number 9. Change number 9 if the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 36. So first off, we're going to draw a circle, and we're going to put the equilateral triangle inside of the circle. And that would mean that all of the sides must be 12. How far from the center is each side? We don't have to do all of them, we'll just do one of them. Again, center to a chord. This is a chord at the bottom. So if it is perpendicular, it will bisect it to 6 and 6. And we are looking for how long that side is. If I draw in the radius, it will create a right triangle. Now in this case, I only have one side, but I only need one side for that triangle, because all of the angles in an equilateral triangle must equal 60 degrees, which means when I draw in that radius in there, it will cut it in half to 30. So if across from 60 is my 6, remembering our triangle families of the 30, 60, 90 is A root 3, and 2a, I have my a root 3 value is 6. So I can solve for a, and a is 6 over root 3, multiply the top and the bottom by root 3. I think it's 6 root 3 over 3, or 2 root 3. And that is my x value, which is answering my question. So it is 2 root 3. If I did want to find the radius, then it would be 4 root 3. So that is it for 10.3. Make sure you understand how chords work within circles, and when we have congruent chords, we have congruent arcs and congruent central angles. And then also remembering how to understand that when we are perpendicular, we are also bisecting the chord. And so that is it for 10.3.